I'm with Pam O'Brien, and Pam's going to talk about, just shortly, about the weekend classes that are being taught for teachers in computing and coding. What's the name of the module, Pam?
So it's a cert in coding and computational thinking for teachers, and it's run by the Flexible Learning Department in LIT.
How long are they in class on weekends? These are teachers, primary and second level?
Primary and second level, mostly second level. The way we've structured the course is we have 3 Saturdays, so we have one kick-off session Saturday, which was back in October. I think it was the 20th of October, around about that date, or maybe the 14th, I'm not sure. And then we had 8 weeks of content on App Inventor and HTML, and now they're back for another workshop last Saturday around coding and computational thinking, and then they have another kind of 7 or 8 weeks of content, and then the final Saturday workshop will be on the 14th of October, or 14th of April, sorry, apologies.
These are 2017 start time October, and then 2018 now. I saw a flow of images and some other crosstalk. So Stephen Howell was doing microbit stuff with you?
Yeah, so Stephen, we hosted Stephen for a microbit workshop on Saturday, which went down very well. Jacqueline Humphreys, one of my colleagues, was doing a Python workshop, and myself, Natasha, Kylie and Sharon Byrne facilitated a computational thinking workshop.
Stuff's good. I mean, I should go, because I will need to be able to break it down for a 10-year-old that would love to do these things. We have a microbit above the washing machine at home. Everybody needs a microbit. There's free access to many things you're probably sharing, right, Pam? So you have all these libraries of helpful links and crosstalk about what works for the teachers. Is that true?
Yeah, I mean, I suppose one of the things that we're just a bit conscious of, there's lots of material there on how to get started with microbit and projects on microbit and all of that. So if you go looking, you can find all that. But one of the things we need to do is we need to bed it in the whole computational thinking area. So the workshop that we facilitated on Saturday was around, we actually didn't have it in, we had it just in a tutorial room, no computers at all. So it was about stepping back and actually figuring out not just what you want the computer to do, but how do you figure out what you want it to do. So it was just about the distinction between programming and computational thinking. Okay,
so the course is called Computing and Computational Thinking?
So it's Coding and Computational
Thinking. Coding and Computational Thinking for teachers. Something that everyone who's in Ireland should think about looking into, because kids want to do this, and teachers need to know how to do it. So do parents. That was Pam O'Brien. Pam helps run the YMT.FM initiative with young students. You'll watch those and hear those kids working with the computing, the thst conference. I can never remember. Computing and Education Society of Ireland, I think it's called. thst.ie. Thanks, Pam. Bye for now.